Good morning to all. See, this is last topic of Unit 4, that is X-ray crystallography, like NaCl crystal. Yesterday we have discussed about structure of KCl crystal. Now we will discuss about structure of NaCl crystal. Here sodium has 11 electrons while chlorine has 17 electrons. In combination, sodium becomes electropositive with which loses 1 electron, that is 10 electrons, and chlorine gains 1 electron which becomes electropositive, that is 18 electrons. Here the chlorine ions will scatter X-rays more than sodium ions. So this is the diagram of reflection of X-rays from a set of 111 plane. See, this is 2D sin theta. Use Bragg's condition. 2D sin theta equals n lambda. Here d is spacing, that is a by square root of 3. First reflection, that is theta 1 equals lambda by 2. Here this relation is the condition for destructive interference for reflection from sodium plane separated by a distance a by root 3 from chlorine plane, and it gives rise to a weak reflection in the direction theta 1. Here, due to maximum reflection from Cl layer, that is chlorine layer, here the destruction is not complete, and hence the first order maximum is relatively weaker. And when we take the second order, see here a small mistake, 2 into 2a by root 3 sin theta 2 equals 2 lambda, and divide equation 2 on both sides, we get 2 into 2a by root 3 sin theta 2 equals lambda. This condition also represents the constructive interference for reflection from sodium plane, and is this plane to gives rise to maximum. In second order, maximum is relatively brighter. As a result, for successive order, we get alternative weak and bright lines, namely first order weak, second order bright, and third order weak, and so on. This fact has been experimentally verified. Moreover, order bright maxima were observed for angle 5.22 degree and 7.3330 degree for 100 and 110 planes respectively. However, here first order weak maximum was observed at 5 degree, and here you have to take 1 by sine 5.22 degree is to 1 by sine 7.30 degree is to 1 by sine 5.5 degree equals 1 is to 0.707 is to 1.15. This proves that NaCl has interlocked face centered cubic structure of alternative ions at the lattice corners as per our starting assumption. See, this is the structure of, this structure is almost similar to KCl's crystal. Here in both the cases, electropositive and electronegative takes place, which becomes here the number of scattering of X-rays depends on number of ions.